and that's how we will blend our piece of painting. Okay, so this is the first step. Now we don't need these two colors, so we can put them aside. And after that, what we have to do, we have to make the moon, and we have to make the buildings, tree, and the fairy lights. For that, what we have to do, we have to wait for the base to get completely dried, and you can always change these gradient things as and when you want it. So blending part is more important. Other than that, you can easily make. So after that, we will be needing black color as well as some gray color. So the sheet is still wet, so let me just dry it. And you can also make some other painting out of this base, like something like this you can make. So you can make clouds, you can make trees, you can make anything. We will be needing a palette or a plate, anything you are having, so that you can pour color. If you are using completely the tube colors, then you need this thing. Otherwise, you can use bottle color directly from the bottle. For the black color, just one more minute and let it dry naturally. You can apply the second layer, which is the building and the moon. That's enough. Now we have our base canvas ready and we will be working on it. So first, what you can do, you can either make the painting or the pattern by yourself, or you can directly paint it with the help of a paintbrush. Okay, let me just show you how I will be making. So first we will be making the building grid lines. For that, I'll make a building like this. And there are some small buildings. And there is another one. And after that, we will be making a tree. And now I'll make some strings. Like this. So this is a blueprint we have to make. And if you want, you can change it any moment. Now take out some black color as well as some gray color. So now later on, it all depends on the creativity you wanted in your painting. So I'm using a little bit of gray color. Although this